Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Tolga, a data scientist at NavigaAI, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to today's demonstration of our latest innovation at NavigaAI, a revolutionary talk-with data chatbot designed to empower not just data scientists, but a wide range of professionals, including executives, managers, and basically anyone who needs to harness the power of data without the complexity of traditional tools. In today's fast-paced world, data has become the lifeblood of decision-making in virtually every industry. However, the gap between those who understand data and those who need to use it has never been wider. That's why we embarked on a mission to bridge this gap with our cutting-edge chatbot. Imagine having the capabilities of a seasoned data set at your fingertips, effortlessly guiding you through exploratory data analysis, data preprocessing, feature engineering, machine learning modeling, and even hyperparameter tuning, all through a simple conversation. Our chatbot isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about empowering everyone within an organization to make informed decisions backed by data-driven insights. Whether you are a CEO looking to optimize business strategies, a marketing manager seeking to understand customer behavior, or a product manager aiming to enhance user experience, our chatbot is your trusted companion in the journey towards data-driven success. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a demonstration of how our Talk with Data chatbot can revolutionize the way you interact with data. Thank you once again joining us for this exciting journey. And without further ado, let's dive into the future of data-driven decision-making with NavigaAI. So let's start off with a dummy data set that I found online, which is a Delhi client data set. And let's wait for a couple of seconds for our terminal to wake up. So we have 5 missing values in our data set, and here are the couple of columns. We have date, mean temperature, humidity, wind speed, and mean pressure in our data set as columns. So let's just start off with something basic and then gradually move on to more complex queries. So let's start off with visualizing our data. So let's just say visualize my data and see how it goes. So our chatbot is deciding which tool to use based on the query we're provided. So it successfully identified the request, which was about visualization, and then our debugger agent started working under the hood and decided whether there's an error in this code that has been written right here, and it decided that there's no error. So as you can see, that our chatbot successfully handled the missing values and also plotted a time series for feature mean temperature over time, humidity distribution, histogram distribution over time again, and also scatter plot for wind speed, how it changes over time, and also a correlation heat map so that we can understand the relationship between mean temperature, humidity, wind speed, and mean pressure as well. And once again, here's the written code by our chatbot so that you might copy and paste for your personal use. So let's just move on to something more complex in terms of visualization. So let's just move on to plotting a grid, a histogram of grid, actually, within that grid. Again, chatbot is choosing the right tool that it has. All right, so it successfully plotted the histogram and also inserted all the histograms inside a grid structure so that we can see all of them at the same time. And again, that is providing us an overview of the data we have. And here's the code as well. So once again, our debugger agents had a look at the code that has been written by chatbot, and if I couldn't find any errors. So the best part of it is that you can also export this image by clicking on Save Images as the format of your choice. So let's do something a data scientist could do. Let's just move on to some data preprocessing steps, and let's see how our chatbot could handle it. So once again, It's a chosen preprocessing tool, which is correct one, and successfully extracted day of week and month from based on the date column we had originally right here. And also, again, the debugger couldn't find any error, so that's good. And here's the new data set we have. We have the day of week and month as well, and we can basically download this new data set without having any missing values as well. So let's just do something more complex in terms of seeing the capabilities of the chatbot. Let's just try to build a machine learning model based on the columns we have, and let's just try to predict tomorrow's mean temperature. Let's see how our model is going to, chatbot model, going to build a machine learning model. Our debugger code, debugger agent found an error and is now working on fixing it in the background. So there is no error printed on the screen or any error. There won't be any error at the end of the execution. But it's working under the hood to serve you the best it could. And there we go. It's successfully, again, an overview of our data set so that we can, basically check if there's anything wrong in the data. We have no missing values. First, a couple of rows from our data set, and also the results from hyperparameter tuning and the tomorrow's temperature prediction as well. And let's see what our model's prediction capability in terms of score. So on the best rank, the first rank scored 72%, almost 73% accuracy on making predictions using the training data set. So it predicted that tomorrow's mean temperature would be roughly 14 degrees tomorrow in Celsius. And here is the code as well. And that's basically everything I'd like to cover for today's demonstration of our demo. So once again, thank you for joining us today. And if you like to use our products, check out NavigaAI.com. And thanks for watching.